Hey there, it's Simon here. How are you? Today I thought I would do an extra little lesson on Easy on Me, the new Adele song. I've already been asked to learn it for lessons next week, so I thought I would show you how it goes on the guitar. Stay tuned, I will see you in a second. Alright, let's kick it straight off. I'll put the chords underneath so you can see exactly what's happening. We're going to start off here with an F sus2. So we've got a bar chord at the 8th fret. We're going to go 8, 10, 10, 8, 10. Now what you just heard me play at the beginning there was just a little bit of the intro where you can actually catch the tune that she plays on the piano. So you can go... Right? So we're playing 2 chords. Then we're going to catch the top string, which is a C, and then straight after we're going to catch an F, which is the 2nd string, the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and then we're going to put our 2nd finger just here on E, and then go into F. All right, so we've got second chord is a D minor 7. Now, your pinky actually is going to catch the 2 8s this time. And then we can go 5, 6 on the B string this time. Same 2 notes, but they're just in a different position and it fits with the chord better, right? So far we've had F sus 2. And then we're going to go down to D minor 7, 5, 7, 5, 6, right? And then we're going to go straight, we're just going to jump our first finger down, keep the same chord on. This actually is an F with an A bass. And we're going to go, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we're going to strum all the way through a B flat major chord, all the way to the 2nd string, that note again, F. And then we're going to hit the major 3rd of the B flat chord, which is a D. So we're going to go. So that intro is. Okay. Pretty sweet, hey? So that is actually also the first 4 bars of the verse. But I guess if you are accompanying a singer to do this, or you are a singer yourself, I probably would leave out that riff because you don't want to, you know, play it all the time because it'll get pretty old. So D minor 7, put your pinky up here on 8 if you like, to play the dominant 7. And then that F with an A bass. Now, instead of going to a B flat major, we're going to go to a B flat sus 2. Okay, so those 4 chords, the first 4 chords, F, D minor 7, F over A, B sus 2. Second line, same chord, F, D minor 7, pinky. Now here, go to a C major instead, and then a B flat sus 2. Now, another bar of B flat sus 2, and then a regular B major, and here comes the chorus, 4 and. So it's like a 2-bar kind of hold up effectively to get you to kind of go, oh great, the chorus is coming, here we go. All right, so that chorus is F, 2, 3, 4. Now, the change here happens on the 4 of the bar. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go to C. That was a D minor 7, sorry. C. Another, also on the 4, F over A. You could play the F over A here, or you could play it there, it's up to you. And then we're going to go to G minor 7, and then F over A again, and then B flat major. And then on the 3, we're going to hit a B flat flat sus2. So the first 4 bars of the chorus are F, 1, 2, D minor 7, C major, F over A, G minor 7, F over A again. So I'm just playing in 1, 2, 3 with an A in the bass, and then G minor 7, and then F over A on the 4 again, and then we're going to play a B flat, and then a B flat sus2. Okay, so the fingering for those chords, just F, so 8, 10, 10, 10, D minor 7, C, 3, 5, 5, 5, and then F over A again, and then G minor 7, so it's an E shape, E minor 7 shaped bar chord, 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then F over A again. I'll probably play the one at the bottom because we're going to B flat down there, just like a little 1, 1, 2, 3 with an open A in the bass, and then to a B flat major, and then on the 3 this time, not on the 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the chorus loops around with exactly the same chords. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then there's a 4-bar interlude where she sings a little, but it's not really part of the verse, but it is the same chords as the first line of the verse. So you get an F, 2, 3, 4, D minor 7, 2, 3, 4. You could put the, actually you could put the intro there again. Then off you go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'll just play the verse through for you here. Except I've forgotten what the 3rd chord was. I only just learned it 10 minutes ago. So let's start that again. F sus2. Not embarrassing at all. D minor 7, 2, F over A, 4, and it's just written over there on my chart. B flat sus2. Okay, F. Then D minor 7 again, and then a C, 4, and 1, 2, 3, then B flat sus2, 2. Now, this time at the end of the 2nd verse, instead of having those extra 2 bars of B flat, which one was B flat sus2 and then the other was B flat major, there's only 1 bar, and it goes straight to B flat major. So it's a classic songwriting technique. The more you get into the song, the earlier the chorus sometimes comes straight after the verse. It's a very deliberate arrangement thing that she's done here, just to kind of, once you're into the song, not to make you wait for the chorus, and pow, the chorus comes. It's classic pop songwriting. Anyway, now, oh, I did mention the chart. So if you would like the chart that I've written, it's just a chord chart, simple chord chart, please do get in touch. You can do that at www.simonmorel.com/free-chart. I'll put a link in the description, and you can just click that, and hey presto, I will personally send you a chart, not a bot or anything, just me in my little room here in Sydney. Okay, now, after it hits that interlude, hits verse 2, hits the chorus, it goes all the way around, hits the interlude again, hits verse 3, hits the chorus again, and then there's not like a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 choruses like at the end of Someone Like You. She just finishes it off simply on the intro, really. And that is how you play Easy On Me by Adele. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe, click the button. If you're able to support the channel, go to www.patreon.com/Simon Morel, where there you can get access to over 3,000 of my charts and a whole bunch of other stuff as well, including exclusive lessons, one-on-one stuff, a whole bunch of other things. So go and check that out. I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy learning this brand new tune.